The Redmi Y3 features a 6.26-inch HD Plus dot-notch display and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Choose from 3 colors: Prime Black, Bold Red, Elegant Blue. The phone is available in 2 memory variants: 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory and 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory. Internal memory is expandable up to 512GB with a dedicated microSD slot. The Redmi Y3 is a dual SIM phone with dual standby. The large 6.2-inch display has a bezel-less look and offers an immersive viewing experience. The body has a sleek, curved back cover with unique Aura Prism design. Along with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, the P2i coating also enhances durability by protecting against accidental splashes and spills. Unlock the phone using fingerprint sensor placed at the back. The phone comes with a 32-megapixel in-screen AI front camera. Features like AI Beautify, AI Portrait, 80-degree FOV lens and large pixel sensor ensure that you get high-quality selfies and group shots even in different lighting conditions. You can click selfies by simply gesturing with your palm. The phone features a 12-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera with LED flash. It has the AI scene detection and AI portrait modes. The phone can detect up to 33 scenes and automatically optimizes settings to provide good pictures. The phone runs on Android Pie-based operating system. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor provides for smooth multitasking and gaming. This phone is powered by a 4000 mAh battery which can last up to 2 days. The box includes handset, charger, USB cable, back cover and SIM insertion tool. The Redmi Y3 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further